Welcome to my channel! So today's vlog, i-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung nasa vanity / study table ko. Before ako mag-start, i-share ko sa inyo na gumawa ako ng puto kanina. So if you guys are not familiar with the term puto, it's a rice cake, I think. So ayun. And so papakita ko lang sa inyo yung picture. It's right here. And so, tinap ko doon is cheese. And then, some, what do you call that? Salted egg. So, ayun. And it turned out it's really good. So, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo na yung nabibili box, ipapakita ko yung picture as well. And then, it will turn out perfectly. Katulad lang din ng nabibenta sa Philippines. So, ayun. Anyway, so mag-start na tayo. This is from Ikea. I bought it maybe 2 years ago na. So I just want something simple and white lang din. So yan yung pinili ko. And also affordable lang siya. Start ko siya dito. So kapag yung vanity table ko, usually ganyan lang siya. I usually closed it. But then, so, mag-start tayo sa top. So, ayan. Here, meron akong lalagyan ng mga usual na ginagamit ko for everyday kung sakali mang may work ako. But since the day wala akong work, hindi ko sila masyado nagagamit kasi hindi naman ako nag-makeup pag nasa bahay lang ako. And also, hindi rin ako nagpapabango. So, ayun. So, start ko dito sa side na to. I have here Fenty Beauty. So, this one is 230 soft matte siya na foundation. Ayan, ganyan siya. Hindi ko alam kung nag-focus kasi first time ko gamitin tong camera na to. But, ayun. This is the Fenty Beauty. And then, next is yung Prep Prime Mist from MAC. Ayan, ganyan siya. And then, I also have this one. Ito yung Maybelline Fit Me na 220 ang shade niya. Ganyan siya. So, yung skin color ko kasi is tan. So, ayan. Yun yung perfect shade for me. And then, I also have this. Ito yung na-free ko from Sephora. So, ito yung Milk Makeup Mascara. Ayan. Ganyan siya. And then dito, meron lang yung another free, which is the primer. Yan yung primer. And then I also have this Louis Vuitton na Apogee na sample nila. Napakita ko na siya sa previous vlog ko. And then I also have brush here from Maybelline. Ayan. So I really like this one kasi pang blush on. And then I also have the Jo Malone perfume. Malone perfume. And then I have this Clinique. So, paubos na siya kasi I think I've been using this for maybe 3 years now. And this one is yung 100 ml nila. So, ayun. Sobrang love ko to. Sobrang favorite ko yung Clinique Happy. And then, this side naman are my lipsticks. So, I have here this Chanel. Binigay lang din sa akin to ng tita ko. So, it's in the shade 424. Ayan. So, ganito yung shade niya. Fortunately, na-close ko siya nang hindi ko pa na ibababa yung mismong lipstick niya. So, nasira siya. Kaya kahit di ko pa siya masyadong ginagamit, parang upod na siya. Yung ganyan. So, Also, makikita mo na may Chanel tingle. Ayan. So, nakalagay yung Chanel. And then, ito yung shade niya. Papakita ko lang sa inyo. Ganyan siya. So, huwag nyo na lang pansinin yung mga scars ko dyan. Kasi nga, I love baking and kaso medyo careless tayo. So, napapaso ako. So, ito yung Chanel lipstick. And then here naman is the YSL lipstick. Ito naman is in the shade 16. So, ayan. Gusto ko yung ano niya, yung applicator. Ba yung tawag dun? So, ayan. Ayan, ganyan yung itsura niya. And then, try lang din natin. Ganito siya. So, a little bit darker lang dun sa Chanel. And then, we have here the Anastasia Beverly Hills na, I think this one is lip gloss. Yan. So, ang shade niya is Dollhouse. Hindi ko alam kung masyadong kita, but ayan, ganyan. And then, here, meron akong mascara. I think galing to sa Miniso. Bigay lang din sa akin. And then, I have this NARS na cream concealer. Focus natin. Ayan. So, NARS concealer siya. And then, it's in the shade yung 1.5. Yeah. So, yun. Shade niya. And then, I also have this small size. Yun. So, 10 ml na Clinic Happy. 10 ml na Clinic Happy. And then, I have this Heroin Make na Smooth Liquid Eyeliner. This one, I bought this from Hong Kong. So, ayun. Sobrang love. Actually, yun yung first na na-try ko siya. And then, this one, ito, panibago na to. So, binili ko na lang to sa Asian supermarket. This one is their Long and Curl Mascara na super waterproof. So, if you guys are looking for waterproof na mascara, sobrang ganda nito. And then, yung last ko is yung Beauty Blender na hindi ko na nagagamit dahil hindi nga ako nagpe-makeup. So, ayan. Yung Beauty Blender, actually, kailangan ko na siyang palitan kasi sira na siya. And it's been years na rin naman na ginagamit ko siya and dapat nga napalitan na siya. But then, kung pwede pa naman, gamitin pa natin. Yan. So, next naman is yung side na to. Yan. Dadusog ako para mas makita natin. So, pag open mo, meron siyang mirror. And, ayan. So, ayan yung mga makikita mong laman dyan. Ayan guys, so para mas mapakita ko sa inyo, ganito na lang yung view. Simulan natin dito sa side na to. Ito yung aking Modern Renaissance na eyeshadow palette. And then we have here Crest na 3D white. Ayan, para sa ating teeth. Though hindi ko siya masyadong ginagamit. Pero, ayun, meron ako niyan just in case. And then I also have here this Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. And then we have the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 220 na matte poreless. And then ito naman yung mga mirrors galing mga bigay sa akin. Meron siya mga kasamang gift card before. Pero yan, mga mirrors right here is yung mga pang sa lips ko. So we have here the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. And then may kasama siya nitong applicator. And then this Go-Go Lip Tint. Bigay lang din sa akin to ng boss ko before. So ayan, Go-Go Lip Tint from Benefit. And then, ayan, Very Tita, meron akong efficacent oil. And then I also have here this milk makeup na lip and cheek tint. And another one is this vanity tint. Yan. Vanity tint from Benefit as well. And then I also have this Bite lipstick. And so, I think sample size lang to, pero yan yung shade niya. So, medyo may pagka-nude. And then, I have here the Burt's Bees na lip balm. So, if you guys are not familiar with Burt's Bees, magaganda yung mga product nila. And I have here this Anastasia lipstick. Maganda sa Anastasia. Last siya sa lips mo. So, I think whole day, kung ito lang yung in-apply mo, it will work. Yan. And then, one of my favorite is this lipstick from 3CE. So, yung shade niya is Going Right. And then, meron lang ako ditong bow. Ayan. I think it's from Elmate. Handmade siya na bow. And then, ganyan siya sa likod. So pretty. So, on this side, we have here the Ultra Sheer Neutrogena with SPF of 110. And ito naman ay ang ating Sephora brushes. So, when you open it, ganito yung itsura niya. Hindi ko pa siya actually nagagamit, pero I have this 2 years na rin siguro. So, ayan. Ganyan siya. So, marami siyang brushes na kasama. So, sobrang sulit. Ang nagagamit ko pa lang dito is yung pang eyebrow. But, yes. Ganyan siya. Okay. And then, may few products na lang tayo natitira. I have here this Tarte na blush on. So, it's in the shade Party. And, gusto ko din to kasi sobrang natural lang niya kapag in-apply mo. So, ganyan yung kanyang shade sa loob. And then, we have here this Hydro Boost na Neutrogena as well. Gel cream siya. And may hyaluronic acid siya, which is really good sa skin mo. And by the way, hindi ako dermatologist or hindi ako expert when it comes to skin. But lagi ko lang nakikita na maganda siya sa skin. Pag merong hyaluronic acid, sabi nila maganda daw sa skin. So, why not try it? And then, when I tried it, masasabi ko, it's really good talaga. So, ayan. I think I bought this from Costco. I have here the mineral powder. Ang shade niya is nude. And then, kasama niya yung brush na pinakita ko earlier. And then, ganyan siya. Laura Mercier, one of my favorite as well. So, this one is the powder. And then, ito yung kanilang translucent na powder lang. And then, ganyan siya. So, actually, ang downside lang nito is kapag ka nagta-travel ka. So, tumatapon siya. I mean, wala siyang pang-sealed sa loob. So, ayan, katulad niyan. Pag inopen mo, ang dami na agad powder dyan. But then, manageable naman siya. So, ayan. But, definitely, still my favorite Laura Mercier. And then last but not the least is on this side. So, pag kinila mong ganyan, ang makikita mo lang is yung aking AirPod right here. And then, also, my laptop right here. And yan, sobrang ganda talaga nitong table na to kasi very efficient siya. So, ayun, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope na na-enjoy nyo kung ano yung vlog ko for today, which is my vanity / study table. And I hope to see you guys on my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!